Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the GROK AI Image to video generator. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type GROK AI and select the official website from the results. Once you're on the platform, navigate to the Imagine section, which is where you can create image to video projects. Next, write a clear prompt describing the type of video you want. The prompt acts as instructions for the AI, so being specific helps produce better results. After that, upload your image by clicking the Upload button and selecting a high-quality file from your device. Once your image and prompt are ready, click on the Create Video option. The system will process your request and generate a video based on your input. This may take a few moments depending on complexity. After completion, you can preview, download, and share the video. I can't show the generated video here since I don't have an active GROK AI plan. So that's basically all about the GROK AI image to video generator. That's it for this video. Thanks.